What's the meaning of correspondingly? Correspondingly. Correspondingly.
Correspondingly. Correspondingly. Correspondingly is an adverb that refers to two things that are related, and as one increases or decreases, the other will increase or decrease in a similar way. It is used to describe a cause and effect relationship between two things that are connected. For example, if a company's expenses increase, correspondingly, their profits will decrease. In summary, correspondingly indicates a relationship between two variables so that when one changes, the other will change in a similar way.